How to add rentals car to booking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you add rental car to booking on Expedia. In order to do this, you need to first of all make sure that you already have an Expedia account. And here to add a rental car on an existing Expedia reservation, you just need to open the Expedia app and go to our trip section. There on the website or an app, you want to select the current booking and you just want to make sure to choose add a car option to bundle it. And that is how you're supposed to add rental car to booking Expedia. And this is where you will be able to find your booking. In the trip section, you want to go to find your booking and you just want to go ahead and add it to your bundle. And this way you are supposed to add rental car to booking on Expedia. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.